In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use team dashboards in Wrike. By the end, you'll know how to open the dashboard area, structure it with sections, fine-tune what you see, share it with your team, and add the most useful widgets so everyone stays aligned. Start by opening Wrike in your browser and signing in. On the left-hand navigation, expand the menu by selecting More. From there, choose Dashboards. This opens the dashboard workspace where you'll centralize the views your team relies on, like tasks, projects, and progress snapshots. Begin by creating structure. Select Section to add a dedicated area of the dashboard. Think of sections as folders for widgets. Give your section a clear name that reflects its purpose, like the team name, the sprint you're tracking, or a focus area such as planning or delivery. Good naming makes it easier for teammates to find the right information quickly. Next, choose how information should appear by selecting Change Layout. Pick a layout that matches your workflow. For example, a 2-column layout keeps priorities and work in progress side by side, while 3 columns can separate backlog, in progress, and done. The goal is to make scanning the page effortless, so lean toward the simplest layout that answers your daily questions at a glance. Now, tailor the data using Add Parameters. Parameters act like filters across the dashboard. You can narrow what shows by assignee, specific projects or folders, status, or timeframes. Keep these parameters focused. If everything is included, nothing stands out. Tight filters help teams see exactly what matters without noise. When your structure and filters look good, make it collaborative. Click Share to grant access to the people or groups who need this dashboard. Adjust permissions so editors can help maintain it while viewers can simply consume the information. If you need to share outside your workspace, choose Public Link to generate a view-only link. Use this thoughtfully and only when appropriate, since public links can be accessed by anyone who has them. With the framework in place, it's time to add insights. Select Widget, then Add New Widget. You'll see helpful presets designed to save time. Choose My Tasks to surface what's assigned to you, grouped or sorted by due date or status. Add My Overdue tasks to spotlight anything that needs urgent attention. This is great for daily stand-ups. Include My Completed Tasks if you want quick proof of progress and a lightweight history for retrospectives. Finally, add My Active Projects to monitor current initiatives so you can spot bottlenecks and keep delivery on track. That's it. You've opened the dashboards area, organized it with sections, chosen a layout, refined what shows with parameters, shared it with the right people, and added focused widgets your team can use every day.